Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this episode, I am going to share with you why African leaders are indicted to ICC. Please stay tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Dominic Ongwen and the Lord's Resistance Army. A child kidnapped by the LRA rose to be one of its most notorious commanders. After a life in the bush, he faces up to 30 years in prison. By Ben Parker in Geneva. Dominic Ongwen could face decades behind bars after his conviction today at the International Criminal Court for crimes against humanity and war crimes, committed arguably by a victim of extreme child abuse. Ongwen was aged about 10 when he was abducted, around 1993, by Joseph Kony's Lord's Resistance Army, rising to become a commander in the Ugandan armed group, notorious for its abuses against civilians. Specific attacks on civilians and displaced peoples camps formed the core of the legal case against Ongwen, which began in December 2016. Ongwen faced charges including murder and attempted murder, torture, sexual slavery, rape, enslavement, forced marriage as an inhumane act, persecution, and other inhumane acts. From 1987, the LRA rebellion against the Kampala government uprooted millions in northern Uganda as it rapidly degenerated into massacres and abuses of civilians, traumatizing many families as children were abducted to be sex slaves or child soldiers. Even when they were released or ran away, returning to normal life proved difficult, especially for girls and women. Ongwen faced 70 counts of crimes against humanity and war crimes at the ICC. He was found guilty of 61. Before reaching the custody of the ICC in 2015, only a few photos and video clips exist of Ongwen, who grew up under the command of Kony, the messianic and elusive LRA leader from northern Uganda. Charged at the age of 32, Ongwen became the youngest person ever to be indicted at the ICC. The case rests on events after he reached the age of 18 but nevertheless raises questions of criminal responsibility and child rights. Can a child grabbed by abusers at the age of 10 and who grew up in bush encampments be legally responsible? IRIN footage first captured Ongwen, with walkie-talkie, at abortive peace talks in 2007. This short documentary film, Picking Up the Pieces, released later in 2007 and recently retrieved from the archives of IRIN, the predecessor of the new.
Thank you for watching. My next episode, I'm going to bring you Asia and Europe. Leaders being indicted to ICC, accused of crimes against humanity. Thank you for watching.